Tired of surprise charges creeping up on your bank account? Feeling like you're constantly overpaying for streaming services, cloud storage, or those free trials that mysteriously turn into recurring subscriptions? You're not alone. We've all been there. That sinking feeling when you realize you've been unknowingly paying for a gym membership you haven't used in months or a streaming service you barely watch. Enter Rocket Money, a financial management tool that's become a lifesaver for many when it comes to tackling those pesky subscription fees. Explain what Rocket Money is. At its core, Rocket Money is designed to help you understand and control your spending. It connects to your bank accounts and credit cards to analyze your transaction history and identify recurring subscriptions. Focus on how Rocket Money handles subscriptions. Subscription tracking. Rocket Money acts like a subscription detective. It meticulously scans your financial data to uncover all your recurring charges, from the obvious streaming services to the more hidden ones like online storage or software trials. Identifying duplicate or unnecessary subscriptions. Once it has a complete list of your subscriptions, Rocket Money analyzes them to identify duplicates, expired trials that are still charging you, and subscriptions you may no longer need or use. Subscription cancellation. The real magic lies in its ability to help you cancel unwanted subscriptions with just a few clicks. Rocket Money provides easy-to-use tools and integrates with many subscription services to streamline the cancellation process. Negotiating lower prices. Rocket Money goes beyond simple cancellation. It can help you negotiate lower prices for your existing subscriptions by contacting customer service on your behalf and attempting to secure discounts or better deals. Finding cheaper alternatives. For certain services, Rocket Money can even suggest cheaper alternatives, helping you save money while still enjoying the same functionality. Let's say you're paying $15 a month for a streaming service you only use occasionally. Rocket Money can identify, pinpoint that $15 monthly charge as a subscription. Analyze, determine if you're getting your money's worth from the service. Cancel, guide you through the cancellation process with a few simple clicks. Suggest alternatives, offer cheaper alternatives with similar features, like a lower-tier subscription plan or a competing service. Discuss the benefits of using Rocket Money for subscriptions. Save money. This is the most obvious benefit. By identifying and canceling unnecessary subscriptions and negotiating lower prices for those you keep, you can significantly reduce your monthly expenses. Gain financial clarity. Rocket Money provides a clear overview of your spending habits, highlighting where your money is going and helping you identify areas where you can cut back. Reduce stress. Dealing with subscription clutter can be incredibly stressful. Rocket Money simplifies the process, taking the hassle out of managing your subscriptions. Improve budgeting. By understanding your subscription spending, you can create a more accurate budget and stick to your financial goals. Discover hidden fees. You might be surprised by the number of hidden subscriptions you discover when using Rocket Money. These unexpected charges can quickly add up, so uncovering them is a major win for your wallet. Address potential drawbacks and limitations. Not all subscriptions are supported. While Rocket Money supports a wide range of subscription services, it may not be able to cancel every single one automatically. Manual intervention may be required. In some cases, you may need to manually contact the subscription provider to cancel or negotiate a lower price. Success rate with price negotiations varies. The success rate of price negotiations can vary depending on the service and the individual circumstances. Provide actionable tips on using Rocket Money effectively. Connect all your accounts. To get the most out of Rocket Money, connect all your bank accounts and credit cards to its platform. Regularly review your subscriptions. Make it a habit to regularly review your subscription list within the Rocket Money app. This will help you stay on top of any new charges and identify any subscriptions you no longer need. Utilize the negotiation feature. Don't hesitate to use the negotiation feature, even if you're not sure it will be successful. You might be surprised by the results. Explore alternative options. When Rocket Money suggests alternative services, take the time to research them and compare features and pricing. Keep track of your savings. Monitor your savings over time to see the tangible impact of using Rocket Money to manage your subscriptions. In conclusion, Rocket Money can be a valuable tool for anyone looking to gain control over their spending and reduce the impact of subscription fees. By automating the process of identifying, canceling, and negotiating subscriptions, Rocket Money can save you time, money, and a significant amount of stress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.